Have you ever wondered why converting leads into customers seems like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded for small businesses? The answer lies in the complexities of human interaction. With the advent of technology, businesses are now turning to a new solution: artificial intelligence, or AI conversations. Now, what are AI conversations? Simply put, they are programmed chatbots that are capable of engaging with customers in real time, answering their queries, and guiding them towards a sale. They are always on, always ready, and always helpful, providing a 24/7 service that no human team could match. Imagine this: a potential customer visits your website at 2 in the morning. They have a question, but there's no one around to answer it. With a traditional customer service model, they would have to wait until business hours to get a response. But with an AI chatbot, they get an immediate response, keeping them engaged and moving them closer to making a purchase. AI conversations are not just about providing answers. They are about engaging customers. They can be programmed to deliver personalized messages, offer product suggestions based on customer preferences, and even upsell or cross-sell, turning a simple query into a potential sale. But how can AI conversations help with lead conversion? Here are the key points. First, they provide real-time engagement. A study by Harvard Business Review found that businesses that respond to leads within an hour are 7 times more likely to convert them. With AI conversations, you're not just responding within an hour, you're responding instantly. Second, AI conversations can handle multiple customers simultaneously. While a human agent can only engage with one customer at a time, an AI chatbot can engage with hundreds or even thousands. This increases the number of leads your business can handle, and therefore the number of potential conversions. Third, AI conversations provide a personalized experience. They can be programmed to remember customer preferences and past interactions, providing a level of personalization that makes customers feel valued and understood. This, in turn, builds trust and increases the likelihood of conversion. And finally, AI conversations are cost-effective. They eliminate the need for a large customer service team, reducing overhead costs and allowing small businesses to allocate resources towards other aspects of their business. In conclusion, AI conversations are an innovative solution to the age-old problem of lead conversion. They provide real-time personalized engagement, handle multiple customers simultaneously, and are cost-effective. They are the 24/7 salesperson that never sleeps, always ready to engage and convert. So, why not give AI conversations a try? They could be the game changer your business needs to skyrocket your lead conversion. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but isn't AI too expensive or too complicated for my business? The answer is a resounding no. Whether you're in home improvement, medical, or real estate sales, AI conversations are a game changer that's within your reach. Thanks to platforms like Go High Level, integrating AI conversations into your business doesn't have to break the bank. This user-friendly system doesn't require a tech guru to set it up, making AI accessible to all. That's right, you can leverage the power of AI and revolutionize your lead conversion without a hefty price tag or a degree in computer science. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information on how you can get started with AI conversations today. Remember, the future of lead conversion is here, and it's more accessible than ever.